Hey everyone, welcome to this detailed beginner tutorial. If you've seen my short where I earned $30 in one day with an AI task app, today I'm diving deep into exactly how it works. The platform is called Clickworker. Clickworker is a legitimate crowdsourcing website and app founded in 2005. It connects companies like Microsoft, Google partners, with people like you and me to complete small, micro tasks that help train AI models or collect data. Examples of tasks: labeling images, e.g., draw boxes around. Step 1. How to sign up. Let's do it together. Open your browser and go to www.clickworker.com or search Clickworker. Official site is always clickworker.com. Click Become a Clickworker or Register. Choose Worker, not Client. Fill in email address, password, basic info, first, last name, birth date, country, gender, languages you speak. English is key for more tasks. Set proficiency level honestly. Important for beginners. Clickworker is available in most countries, including Iran. However, some tasks are restricted by location, and payouts require a verified PayPal account. Set one up if you don't have it. Use a supported bank email. After registration, confirm your email. Then you'll see the dashboard. Next, complete qualifications assessments. These are short tests, 20 minutes each. General language test, Clickworker basic test, UHRS qualification, if available. Tips: read instructions carefully. You can retake most tests. Good scores, 80% plus, unlock better tasks like UHRS, which pay more. This setup takes 30-60 minutes total. Once done, tasks start appearing. Step 2. How to find and complete tasks. The core of earning. Log into your dashboard, web or app. I recommend the mobile app for notifications. You'll see sections like available jobs, UHRS, if qualified. This is gold for AI tasks. Projects. Click on a job to see details. Estimated time, payout per task, total available. Beginner-friendly tasks. One image text annotation. E.g., select all squares with traffic lights. Pays $0.05, $1 per task. 2. Data categorization. Classify emails or products. Quick and repetitive. 3. Voice recording. Read sentences aloud. Needs quiet space and microphone. 4. Surveys. Answer 5 to 10 questions. Pays $0.50. R2, my $30 example. I did UHRS tasks. Bounding boxes on images, plus text evaluation. Each took 4 to 6 minutes. Paid $8 to $12 combined. Precise tips for beginners. Sort by highest paying or shortest time. Accept jobs quickly. Good ones disappear fast. Follow instructions exactly. Wrong answers get rejected and lower your rating. Work in focused sessions, 1-2 hours to avoid fatigue. Rating matters. 90% plus accuracy keeps you qualified. If no tasks show, wait or refresh. New ones appear hourly, especially mornings, evenings, UTC time. Step 3. How to earn more than average as a beginner. Precise strategies. Qualify for UHRS early. It's Microsoft's platform inside Clickworker. Tasks like search result evaluation pay $0.10, $0.50 per minute. Add multiple languages if you know them. Use the app notifications. Turn them on for new job available. Work peak hours, evenings in Europe, US, when more tasks drop. Combine with similar apps, app and remote tasks for variety realistic earnings. Breakdown. First week, $10-$50 learning curve. Consistent 1-2 hours day, 100-300 month. Top workers, 500 plus, with UHRS and high rating. Common pitfalls to avoid. Rushing and making errors. Lowers rating, fewer tasks. Expecting $10 every 5 minutes, rare. Most tasks pay less. Forgetting taxes. Small earnings usually not reported, but check local rules. Using VPN incorrectly can get banned. Be honest about location. Honest note, earnings fluctuate. Some days $5, some 30 plus. Patience is key. Final step, cashing out your earnings. Go to payments in dashboard. Minimum payout, $10, about 11. Options: PayPal. Fastest 1 to 3 days. or bank transfer, slower. Request payout when ready. Processed weekly, Wednesdays, or on demand. My $30 arrived in PayPal within 2 days. Here's the exact proof again. Show blurred screenshot. Beginner advice summary. 1. Start small. Complete 5-10 tasks today. 2. Build ratings slowly. 3. Track time versus earnings to see if it's worth it. Description. Sign up and try it risk-free. If you earn your first dollars, comment below with your amount. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching this full guide. Like if it helped, subscribe for more real, no-hype, money-making tutorials. See you next time. Now go sign up and start earning.